my soul. Angel in my armor, actress in my role. Daughter of a demon lover, empress of the hidden face. Priestess of the pagan mother, ancient queen of inner space. Polarize me. Compensate me. Spirit in my psyche, double in my goal. Altering my image, struggle for control. Mistress of the dark unconscious, made of the lunacy. Daughter of the gay enchantress, sister to the boy inside of me. Polarize me, sensitize me, criticize me, civilize me. Compensate me. Complicate me, elevate me. My counterpart, my foolish heart. Man must learn to rule his tender part. Warming tree, a gentle friend. Man must build a fortress to defend. Face, a touch of grace. Man must learn to give a little space. Peaceful state, submissive to reign. Man must learn to gently dominate. Polarize me. Are you getting sleepy? I am. Okay, now this.